Hey guys, what's going on? Steve's back again. Happy Tuesday. If you just saw my last video, unboxing of the Sony 90mm macro lens, now I'll be unboxing the second lens that I got today, which is the Sony FE 70-200mm f4 lens, zoom lens. I have a zoom lens for my Canon M50. It isn't a very good lens, but I learned on it. That one I believe is like a 70-250 or 55-250. It's not bad, but this is the first lens I have that has a f-stop as low as 4 throughout the entire lens. So this should be fun. I enjoy going to the park and taking pictures, mostly of ducks. I live in California. Every park you go to, there are ducks everywhere. And I have hundreds of pictures of ducks. That's how I pretty much learned how to take pictures. But I also like taking pictures of the moon and the trying to take some star trails. So I will use this lens here with my Canon A7 III. All right, let's do this. Here is the box for the 70-200mm. I'll take some pictures, just the lens and when I connect it to the camera, and I'll throw them up here somewhere so you guys can see. I know these unboxings are kind of boring, but I'm excited to get these lenses and put them on the camera and use them, so at least you guys get to see what they look like. Okay, whoops. What do we, same as the last box. The instructions, which for some reason these don't come in plastic, but the other lens, they came in a little plastic. Ooh, baby. Oh my. Put that back down there. Okay. Just like the last lens, it comes in nice bubble wrap. And it also comes in a Sony leather pleather bag, just like the 90mm. Oh boy. Just like the other lens, it comes with the I think it's called a filter. I shot these videos back to back. I should have paused and actually looked it up. But here it is. Damn. This is crazy. This is so sweet. And here is the lens. This lens was about $1,300 on Crutchfield. They also have a 70-200 f 2.8. So the f4 prime for this lens is $1,300. If you want the f 2.8, it is $2,300. But I think it's a lot bigger. So I chose this because I don't think I need that much of a depth of field when I'm taking the pictures I plan on taking with this of like animals and the stars and the moon and stuff. And if I do, I could always just buy a new lens eventually, but I'll start with this one. This is really sweet. And this also has a ton of options on it. It looks like you could turn auto filter on or off. It shoots to infinity. Steady shot you could turn on or off, and it has 2 modes. I'm gonna have to read the instructions, so I might record another video explaining some of the more advanced features on these lenses, because my normal lenses I have are just straight up point and shoots, quote unquote. You just put them on and there's really nothing much to them. So once I figure these out, I will post. And this actually has 3 buttons. I don't know. Let's put it on the camera. Okay. At the moment, I have my 90mm that I just unboxed on, so I'll take this off. And we shall put the zoom lens on. All right. Let me just put the cap back on here so I don't damage anything. Don't want to damage my camera the day I got it. Whoops. Wow. Can you get a good look at that? This is a beauty. Turn it on. I love this. This is awesome. Oh my God. I cannot wait to take this lens out and start shooting. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to learn how to use it first. Wow. So I don't know if you could see, I'll turn it towards you. It has autofocus, manual focus. I don't know what the I'm guessing it's 3 meter to infinity full, steady shot, and the 2 modes. Oh, it's really, really bright. Sorry. My ring light, I don't know. It's not adjusting very well. I'll take pictures. I won't even put that video up. I'll just cover it with the picture of the lens. I cannot wait to take this out. Okay. So that was the second lens that I purchased, the 70 to 200 millimeter f4 zoom lens. So those are my 2 lenses. And I think the next video I'm going to do is the small cable bag or pouch that I purchased last week. I bought 2. I reviewed one or unboxed one last week. I'm going to unbox the second one today, right after this. And I will probably post one, I don't know, maybe 1 video a day. Or maybe I'll do the 2 lenses tomorrow morning one, and then tomorrow afternoon another one. And then I'll do the bag on Thursday. We'll see. I have a whole bunch more stuff coming in, like my screen for my Sony, because it doesn't have a screen that flips. So I bought an external screen, and that should be coming in soon. Let me know what you want me to comment on, what you want me to unbox or review. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I would love to get some followers to help out some people. You can find me on Twitter at Strange177A. You can find me on Instagram at Strange177A. And then you can follow my photography Instagram, which is 31photography, 3 spelled out, the number 1 photography. And then you could follow Binh and I on Tech Guys Chronicles on Instagram. Thanks again for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Later.